So today has been a very wonderful day to me because most of my Telegram users have won most of their trades using a strategy that I implemented today. The strategy has a 95% win rate, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use it so that you can win just like they did. So make sure you join my Telegram so that you don't miss any of these updates, because when I first release an update, I share it with my Telegram channel. So when you're not there, you're missing out a lot. And the first thing you're supposed to do is to connect to the River account to BBFX AI. You see, my account is connected and I have $264. So the second thing, you head over to the bulk trader. Then you set the stake amount you want to use. I'll use $20, 20. Then bulk trades to 5. You just press it like that, then you enter. So now people have a lot of issues when it comes to the perfect time to enter the trades. So right now I'm targeting only 3 rounds. 3 rounds. I'm going to be executing under 8. But before I execute under 8, let me show you something. So when you see this O, don't immediately execute your trade. You see, if you immediately executed the trade, you could have lost this one. This one means that the tick, the cursor actually ended up stopping at 8 after, sorry, this means that the cursor, after it went from 9, it went to 8, then 8 you see here, so you could have lost your trade. So the first thing, you have to wait. When the cursor hits 9, you have to give it 2 ticks, then you execute your trade. So let's see, there we go, 1, 2, under 8. See that? See that? $18. Let's do it again. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, again. See that? You see that? That's $7. Let's go again. So we are waiting for the O, then we give it 2 ticks, then you execute our trade. Simple. Wait for the O, give it 2 ticks, then execute your trade. There we go. 1. Okay, you see? 1, 2. Nice. We've won. We've won. Yeah, you see it's working. Don't immediately just execute your trade, man. You can see that the cursor can go back to 9 anytime after hitting 9, so you're going to lose your trade. But if you give it an allowance of 2 ticks, bro, you're going to milk. Trust me. Let's do one more run. So wait for 0, then you wait for 2 ticks. We are waiting for it to hit 9. Okay, there you go. No. 2. No. Okay, we wait again. That one is not valid. Wait again. So we could have won. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, we execute. See that? $75. $75. Crazy. And yes, this is my live account. I'm at $339. Let me show you. See that? $75 in profit. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you all. Make sure you try it on in your demo account. If you love it, make sure you deposit at least $50. Then you scale it to $150 today. Make a withdrawal. Make the $100 withdrawal. Then you scale again the $50. You're going to thank me. This thing is working, man. So I'll see you in my next video.